Do you want to make your vlog viral? Do you yearn to see your creations skyrocketing with views, likes and shares buzzing in the virtual world? Well, the good news is, making a vlog viral isn't a stroke of luck, it's a process. And today, we're going to walk you through that process, step by step. The first step is always about understanding your audience. Imagine being on a stage and having no idea who your audience is. It would be tough to deliver a performance that resonates, right? The same principle applies to vlogging. You need to know who you are creating content for, what interests them, what they love, what they hate, and what they need. In other words, do your homework, research, and then tailor your content to their taste. The second step is about creating unique and compelling content. The online world is a vast ocean filled with content. To make your vlog stand out, it needs to be unique, it needs to be you. Show your personality, let your passion shine through. Remember, authenticity never goes out of style. The third step is about quality. A viral vlog isn't just about what you say, it's also about how you say it. Invest in good equipment. Ensure your video and audio quality are top-notch. Think about it. Would you watch a blurry video with muffled audio? Probably not. The fourth step is about consistency. Virality doesn't happen overnight. You need to keep producing content regularly. Stay in the game, stay in the minds of your audience. The fifth and final step is about promoting your vlog. Use social media, collaborate with other vloggers, engage with your audience. Remember, the world needs to know about your vlog before it can go viral. So, to summarize, making a vlog viral involves 5 key steps: knowing your audience, creating unique and compelling content, ensuring quality, being consistent, and promoting your vlog. It's not just about creating a vlog, it's about creating a brand, a persona, a story that resonates with your audience. Take these steps, and you're not just on your way to making your vlog viral, you're on your way to creating a lasting impression, a digital footprint that stands the test of time. So go out there, start creating, start captivating, and remember, the world is waiting to hear your story.